Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what we getting into today? Today I'm actually behind. This video was well overdue, and I was supposed to do this probably like a month ago for y'all. So today we are taking out, not that, we're taking out the Vette today. And today I'm about to actually give y'all some driving footage, a little POV, and just the overall Corvette experience. So this is gonna be kind of like what it's like to drive a supercharged Corvette. But before we do anything with the Vette, let me move the FD out and trade places with these two. Ooh, and it's been a minute since y'all had a Corvette cold start, so let me get y'all old school cold start one time. What a one time. All right, so now that we got everything moved around, so we're about to go somewhere. I'm gonna do a walk around the car, kind of explain what's been done for the new people to the channel. For the old people, y'all kind of already know, but after that, we're about to get into some driving. So for the people that are new to the channel, this is my supercharged C5 Corvette. Y'all can see it's all wide body. Got the 325s on there, carbon fiber rear diffuser, carbon fiber rear over fenders. Waiting for the front carbon fibers to come, carbon fiber hood. C6 Z06 wheels. These are 18 by 9.5, and the rears are 19 by 12s. This is the ZR1 front lip for this. So you can see the ZR1 side splitters to match the ZR1 front lip too. And here are the goods. This is a factory LS1. This LS1 has been rebuilt, so we have LS3 rods in there with forged pistons, slightly higher compression, ANA supercharger, currently running the stock pulley, which is the 3.8. But I do have a 3.4 pulley that I can throw on here if I want to run more boost. Got rid of the mass airflow sensor, so this is on map, running a 2-bar map on here. Long tubes, has a BTR stage 2 cam setup, 243 heads. Then keeping this thing cool, you can see we got the big radiator in there, also with the Big Daddy Spall fans. So this car stays pretty cool, never had an issue with it overheating. And y'all can see in there I got the fire extinguisher, so y'all might see that in the video. But a little bit different from a lot of other Corvettes. We have a surge tank in here. So this car in the rear has a AEM 340 E85 pump that's filling the surge tank, and then this surge tank is ran by a Walbro 450 pump. Currently this car makes 606 horsepower to the floor with literally no timing at all. This car only has like 15 degrees of timing on it. Currently on 91 pump, so right now it's just super conservative. But I do plan on running this on E85, so once I throw the E85 in here, this thing is probably gonna wake up a lot. So fast 92 also. I'm also running an LS2 throttle body. LS2 throttle bodies are a lot bigger, so LS2 throttle body right there. But yeah, super simple setup. I know y'all tired of hearing me talking. Y'all ready to see some driving footage, and that's the point of this video. y'all want to hear this thing with the cutout open. Let me give it, I'll do a little pull for y'all with it closed, and then I'll open it back up. Let's open this thing back up for y'all. Watch when I hit the cutout, it gets hella quiet. This car is hella streetable. Literally drive around like nothing. Like you can't even hear the car at all. This thing sounds like a Prius. Ooh, he want the smoke? He want the smoke? I know he don't want the smoke. He don't want the smoke. I love this car, dude. It's so sick. This is probably like my favorite car out of all my cars. Like this thing is just, it's fast, it looks good, it sounds good, it has AC. Like this car is flawless for a daily driver. bunch of driving around with the cutout open, so let's just drive around with it closed, and you know, that way we'll probably get to hear the supercharger a bit more, and we'll probably get to hear the blow-off valve a lot better. Alright, so I'm just getting back to the crib, and what I'm about to do right now is my boy hit me up. He said he has an extra bumper for my FD. My boy Jeff is the same dude that I said if I was gonna build a rotary, I would have him build my Streetport rotary setup. So I'm about to go to Jeff's right now, pick up the FD bumper off of his FD because he said he don't like it, but it's actually the bumper that I had just ordered. So I ended up canceling my order, so I'm about to just go over there and pick it up. So yeah. So pretty soon we ain't gonna have this boofness on here. Jesus, we're gonna be all clanged up. All right, what's good? Couple hours have passed since you guys seen me go pick up that bumper, and I was driving the C5 and stuff earlier. So I actually found some RX-7 seats. You guys know I've been trying to find some seats. I actually found some suede OEM RX-7 FD seats, so I'm about to run to SoCal and pick those up right now. So currently over here at this rental car place, about to grab a rental, then I'm about to drive out there. I think from here it's about 6 hours away, so 5 hours and 55 minutes. So I have a long drive ahead of me, but I gotta go pick up this FD stuff. You know, I got a good price on it. The dude who I'm picking it up from, super chill dude. So I'm gonna go out there, grab these seats, and yeah, we gotta, man, it's about to be a mission, but hopefully tomorrow I'll get back in a decent time. That way I can, you know, get this stuff all in and on the FD. So here we go. We got a mission. We on a mission? Crackhead mission. We should be able to fit 2 FD seats in here without a problem. We should be all right. We good. All right, here we go. Time to sync up this Bluetooth. 8:30, leaving. Let's see what time we get there. Long drive. And bam, just pulling up. 1:14. Just getting out here to SoCal.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a voice.